What's up, guys? It's your boy Herobrine again with a part 3. We are going to get the Sabre slime and Quicksilver slime, and I'm going to start slime measure. We might have enough time so I could show you how to make the slime stage, so I could try to do the technique, but I don't even have the science lab, so I don't even know. Anyways, I'm just gonna continue here. And yeah, I do not have enough money for this. So again, I'm gonna have to just scroll sleeping again, like I did last time. I'm just waiting for her to hang up the call. That's what I do. And this is fun. Anyways, I don't. Fun fact: this guy is actually just 3 slimes in a trench coat. Bob. That's why he talks so weird. It's pretty funny when you think about it. It's kind of like the 3 kids just going in a trench coat. Sneak into a movie theater or something like that. Well, not a mate. Whoa. I mean like a club. I'm looking for no. I don't even have the science lab yet, so I can't do that. Well, it won't even let me do the quick slimes. A few more days later. This might be the organ. Why give me a? Well, you can see it right there. You can see like the little hey little chickens, okay? I like how he talks. It's pretty funny. I didn't even know slimes could talk. I know they have a mouth, but like I didn't know they could talk. Well, they talk weird. When am I gonna get the Saga Orange? This is taking forever. I just want to skip ahead until I just get Augie and Humper. Or yeah, I said that I got Victor and Oggins mixed up. Please be him. Yes! Ogden Ortis. 5 mint mangoes, 5. I keep switching. Oh, whatever. I still got mint mangoes, which is good. But I don't have 5 of these Okas. Is that what they're called? I don't know time now. I just know what they look like. Man, these are always so hard to find. Especially because I don't make it every single time. Usually I see a gold slime up here. Or a lucky slime. Nope. I was just trying to see if I get lucky. It wouldn't work for the 10 anyway. It only works with lucky slimes. And just looking for Okas. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Can't be odd onion because I know exactly what that looks like. Is that? No. Okay, maybe we should just start with the whole entire part of the game anyway. There's already heartbeats, but a slime already feasted on one. Oh wait, I forgot I can't search those little map things. I thought I seen Oka in the crystal area. Although I'm already seeing Okas. Is there Oka Oka in here? Nope. Ow. Ow! Got double spiked. At least I thought I did. Ow! No, no, no. Could I climb? Could I climb up here before without using a jetpack? Oh yeah, I could. I remember. Well, I mean, if I didn't have the jetpack before, how else did I? Never mind. No, I think there's only odd onions in here. I wasted my time. I just need 3 more Oka Okas. Maybe it's somewhere over here? Nope, just carrot. No, I was hoping that was a crate with Oka Okas. Well, of course it wouldn't be filled with Oka Okas. How many times have I said Oka Oka? Yes, the exact amount. I really thought the rad slime was gonna get to it for me, but I was faster. Luckily, I don't like feral slimes. That was my first death. And just get this gift. See if this. I thought this was a gold bar, man. It's just a honey one. Yeah, whatever. Ow! Ow! But oh, I got spiked. How fast did I make it here? Is it like 24 hours? Oh no. Like 27 minutes something. Or was it 28? I can't remember. Yes, I received a message from August Art now. Art now. Wait, how many monies am I gonna get from this? Kind of, I mean, it's close to. What the? Yes, I was right. Yes, it's right there. That means I can now unlock Sabre slimes. I should only go there for... Oh yeah, I have to talk to Artist first. I've already seen this before, so I'm just gonna... If you could not hear, I was just spamming that button, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. The sound was just like horrible. You could barely hear like the music, guys. So sorry about that. Yo. Yes, Sabre. Yes, that's what I was talking about. This is awesome. Yes. I want to go back so I could just sell. But I have no idea where the teleporter is. What are these things? I heard you get money from them every single time you sell them to orders. I don't really know how to say the name. Cocodobas. I don't really know the name that much, guys. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not good with feral slimes. Oh, these guys. Oh no. I need to get out of here. Hey, look, that guy was friendly. Gotta make it faster. Yes! This is where our teleporter is, right? Oh, this is also where the, Did they just fall in the water? Stop. Oh my gosh. money at all. You just get these spicy tofu. Whatever. The saber plorts have to be at least worth something. CC. How much money does the grotto cost? I'm gonna check real fast. I thought it was 1,000. That's like 1,800. I need to sell like a lot. Let me see how much gold plorts that'd take. That'd take at least just 2 gold plorts. I mean, 1 gold plort and like 3 quantum plorts. Although, couldn't I just get 8 quantum plorts? That would have been faster. Yeah, that would be like the fastest way, because gold plorts are like really hard to find. Yeah, I'm saying quantum plorts, they're like the best option here. Besides, I have the quantum area unlocked, which is great. The only thing I don't really have is fire plorts, only because I don't have a fire slime. And I kind of need one for an incinerator thing, so I can have one as a pet and feed it ash, so it would give me plorts. Is it a gold slime? No, it's the ornament. See, the ornament kind of threw me off. The ornaments in this game are just confusing. You know, I'm gonna put this someplace else. What if I put it behind it? Because I know they can't spawn behind it. Or can they? I don't know. And of course you guys show up now. When I needed you guys before. No! Wait, what? Oh, okay. Wait, what? Wait, why did I say them? I don't do these things. Why would I save them? I thought I just died right there. Boom slime. Boop. Wait. Whoa, the cube. Oh, they did that up there? So that's where they kind of spawn? I'm gonna go in the mossy blanket every single time I need cube berries. I wonder if you could make one in real life. You know, just let it, like, strawberry grow and then just put it in a, like, we'll just let it grow in a cube-shaped container. Maybe you'll get, like, a cube berry. Because it kind of looks like a strawberry, just cube formed. I'm going to need, like, 8 quantum plorts. That's why I'm going to get 8 quantum slimes for a reason. So it doesn't matter if they eat something or not. I can just collect the plort before. And I know they love berries. Wait, maybe I can get the phase lemon now. I know they weren't fully grown before. It could make this challenge faster though. Wait, what did I say challenge? Yeah, you can kind of see it. I can't see it no more. I could kind of see it in the first place, but I can't see it anymore. Yeah, there's nothing there. I wish it worked on every single time with food. So this challenge will be faster. I just need 2 more berries. Unless you guys could just eat something for me. Ow. Wait, unless there's Largos. I forgot about Largos. There can also be Largos. And of course there's no Largos. Isn't that great? And I just need 2 more berries. Which is the worst part because I know I'm getting so close. Oh, I just saw him eat something. Yo! Oh! Oh, I'm sorry, dude. You shall be remembered. But I have enough at least. I just saw a tabby largo just go in the water. Sadly. I thought I didn't make that jump for a minute. Oh, come on! Kind of thin. Oh, I can't sprint. Uh-oh. Right. Oh wait, I didn't even need sprint. I just need to find an open area where I can feed these quantum slimes. They don't spawn in there, right? Please don't tell me they don't spawn in there. Okay, I get some peace. Not eat them. Not eat them. What are you doing? Stop trying to run away. Oh, wait. Are you not hungry? No. Oh. I thought I just heard a tar. This should work. Just don't have the skill change, please. Yes! I have enough to unlock the grotto now, that means. That took way longer than I wanted it to. At least I can unlock the grotto. Moochie Miles likes slimes, so I'm just gonna sleep for this one. No, I said sleep. Now return to ranch, sleep. That was like the fastest night ever. Okay, that's funny. Yes, Moochie Miles I needed. 5 phosphor plorts and 3. I should have just let it call. 3 tabby plorts, 5 phosphor plorts. Tabby plorts I'm not worried about, but phosphor? Just in case, I might as well get like 5 of each, just in case I got it mixed up. But why 5 phosphor plorts, man? Oh, no, stop it. Stay out of this. So you are gonna be the target. Yeah. Let's go. Just trying to look for tabby plorts. How in the world am I gonna get phosphor plorts though? Oh wait, you need another one? Yo, you're awesome, man. And now I just need 5 phosphor plorts. I'm not gonna like this. I could go. No, wait. Although, don't I have a garden at my house? I think I do. Yeah, with like mint mangoes. I wish I had my cube berries though. That would make it easier. Just 1 mint mango, 2 cube berries. I know these guys are starving, but I could lose almost all my health just trying to feed these guys. I don't think it's worth it. Sorry guys, I need this. Hey wait, this is like the quickest exit. You could have that one. I wish it was nighttime so bad. Why does it have to be daytime? I could die from this, honestly. I could actually die from this quest for trying to feed these boys. Stop being mean. How in the... I only got 2 phosphor plorts. How am I gonna get other? There's no... I literally can't do it. It's impossible. I just need 3 like phosphor slimes. But I'm pretty sure those phosphor slimes in that cave just despawned by now. That's what we did. I wish I didn't pop the phosphor photo yet, honestly. This was the worst time. Waiting for nighttime is... How am I gonna do this? The phosphor slimes, they're just... Unless, could you have a phosphor slime? Nope. I'm gonna have to wait until nighttime. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I need to get to Sabre again. Waiting for nighttime is hard. Maybe there's a phosphor slime here. Guys, comment down below where you can find phosphor slimes, please. This is just out of hand. Unless. Maybe they're still hungry. Or I could just make some more spawn. That would be genius. If... Oh, they're not hungry. Oh no. They're not hungry. I should have used cube berries and then now I have to wait for nighttime. This is gonna take forever. I always just want to sit here going and go AFK. Cause this is horrible. I wish it was at least just like a little bit nighttime. I have to wait for it at least to be like maybe 1 p.m. What time do phosphor slimes spawn? Yep. Wait, 24 minutes? So if a whole... Okay, now I can't sleep. Okay. So at 1, I'm just gonna wait for the time. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna go AFK. Okay, I'm back. And it is almost night time to my thing. So I just did not want to let you guys just watch of when it turns nighttime. Because that would take a long time. And as you can see, it is almost nighttime. It's almost 6 o'clock right now. And it should be like nighttime now. See how the music changed? It means phosphor slimes should pop out now. Which is a good... Yes! I missed. Sometimes you can vacuum too soon, so you gotta be careful of that. Because when you do that, it doesn't do the plort thing. touch the ground. So you gotta let it do that thing first. And now, I'm really hoping that my quest didn't go off. 24 minus 6 is... No, I'm good. It's 8. I'm pretty sure I have like 6 minutes left though. Do I? 16. Yes, star mail from Moochie Miles. I forgot I don't have any slimes. Wait, what's the point of this? Actually, you know what? Why did I put the chicken in there? I don't think I need this stuff anymore. More briar hen. Moochie Miles, are you there? Moochie Miles. Wait, why didn't it work? Wait, why didn't Moochie Miles have it work? Oh, it is work. Okay. I was just making sure. This should be our final quest of the challenge. And at the end of this, of getting the Quicksilver slime, I am going to show you my gold slime and bucket slimes. And all I need to do is shoot one of these sparks at this guy. So we should pop out like this. Yeah, look at these guys. They're so cool. See, I get quick silver slime achievement. Ow, but they do damage you when you do a try to... Yeah, it's shocking. It's actually shocking. Ow. Oh, I only got 14. Yeah, I'm not gonna... Oh, wait, I'm pretty sure you get money like this, though. I honestly would just want to wait now. Until the timer stops. 15 seconds. I'm wasting all my spark charges. Wait, I actually got one while doing that? I actually got a Quicksilver while doing that. I got 2! Oh, that's amazing. Anyways. Yeah, I do get money from it. It is worth 200. Oh, 10 for 200. Okay, I get that. I thought I'd get money every single time. That'd been awesome. That'd be like better than the gold slime, honestly. It would depend how much Quicksilver ports you get, though. And I did get the Quicksilver slime though. So, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is apparently a video. It's upside down, my bad. This is how I do it. I put them on the slime stage, I disequip, I don't equip the slime stage, and then it just breaks the character, I guess, of it despawning. And you know what? Maybe we could play a little bit more. I think I'm gonna try to play a little bit more. And that wouldn't be fun at all. Just leave that quick. But that was kind of cool. I can't afford to do anything. Faster slime. Ooh. So many hunter slimes I can get. Well, usually it's like 10. And I'm usually surprised. because it's hard to do when it's 10. Uh-oh. Yeah, get out of here. How did he do? I wasn't expecting that. He did it in the air. He did it in the air like he just didn't care. Can I do this? Wait. See, how does it do that? It just... R.I.P. Pink Slime. I do not like these bees. They're the one that killed me last time. If you don't remember. Watch my first video if you don't remember. That was my first death ever. Well, not in Slime Rancher. Like, not my first death. Because I've died lots of times in Slime Rancher. From a giant tar invasion in one of my bases. I did it on purpose for an experiment. No, I'm just joking. I actually survived that one. But one time when I did have a tar infection, I did die. Because there was like over 400 tars in my little base. So when I was just getting my slimes all at once, I had the 100 boost, so I was just searching a lot. I got 100 mosaic slimes, 100 boom slimes, 100 honey slimes, and 100 mosaic slimes, 100 tangle slimes, 100 and dervish slimes, and 100. Oh, I got a hunter slime. Never mind. Boom slimes. 100 boom slimes. 100. Okay. 100 boom slimes. 100 mosaic slimes. 100 dervish slimes, and 100 tangle slimes. I cannot do fire slimes. They're like way harder to find. They're like the third hardest thing to find. No, I'm just joking. They might be the fourth. There's the hunter slimes. They got the true ones. The hunter slimes are like hard to find. But at the same time, you can see their eyes kind of when they're invincible. So it's not that much of a giveaway that they're here. It's kind of more of a giveaway that they're here. As I might say. I thought, okay, sometimes these little I hear a tar. Not what I wanted to hear. I'll see them. Stop munching on my slimes. Wow, is that all the hunter slimes? Only one? Usually when I check, there's like 10 over here. Only one? Wow. No, there's one right there. See what I was talking about, like the giveaway? You can see their eyes and the little like, you can have to see the outlines a little bit. When they go invincible, you can still kind of see them. So what if I just suck stuff for no reason? I mean, back stuff for no reason. And what's that called? Hunter slime. I would not have been that surprised because they grew invincible a lot. But okay, I was gonna say, how are you not dead? One time I accidentally created a tar that ate slimes, but they didn't multiply. And I regretted it. Although, I actually did not regret it that much. Because it did not, like, multiply. And it made the job a little easier. I don't know why I'm even capturing these guys if I don't. Oh, there's one up there. Yeah. So usually these hunter slime boys can be found in the glass desert, the the mossy blanket in this area, or in this area sometimes. and over there in that area. Or in those like split across island area. There's also this other island with lots of hunter largos and a gordo itself. It needs like 100 hens, which would need 25 roosters. Ow, ow, ow. So there's usually sometimes hunter slimes over here. I swear that pink slime just disappeared. Am I seeing things? Comment down below. I'm gonna go back home. What? Is there hunter slimes? I don't even know why I was gonna bring these guys if there's no point anyway. That would make me fail the challenge. Although I'm kind of already done with my challenge. So the video kind of should have been over by now. It's fine though. Maybe we could play a little bit more. Oh, how about this? How many puddle slimes can I find? If I can find a 10, I'm gonna be a little bit surprised because these guys are kind of okay. What the? No, where is he? Kind of expected that. See this bridge area? That's where the hunter largos area is at. It's too risky actually doing it though. Is there puddle slimes in this water? I seriously cannot remember. Nope. Man. You're probably wondering why I'm going this way. Oh, I knew it. I saw it with the corner of my eyes and I was like, somebody stop this tar madness. What the? So what I'm gonna do is put like 10 puddle slimes in like the same pool. See how they react. Usually the maximum is like 2. I don't know why. I think it should be a little bit more than that. Hey, give it. I was thinking I'd find like only like 3 honestly. Well, we found one more of them, but I like how there's the pink plort thing automatically. Less work for you. I'm only going over here. You guys probably not seen a single puddle slime here before, but there is. See this water over here? Should be a little bit puddle slimes over here. Yeah, see? They might have just spawned, but they spawned. I wonder what other place I can find puddle slimes. Well, I know you can find them in also other places. Oh, but I also know another place with puddle slimes, and it's in the quantum. Oh, I thought I was running out of energy too much. Yes, so see this water right here? Puddle slimes are gonna, yes! And because puddle slimes are spawning, Wait, is that enough? I only need one more. I thought you were after the plort there. There you go, buddy. I thought there was... Oh, yeah, there was a door. I was like, am I blind? Oh, wait, how am I going to make this work? Because I know this is going to close, and... How am I going to make that work? Can I? I only got 9 puddle slimes. I'm trying to get 10 at least. Maybe I can fill up my whole inventory. Yeah, I think I'm actually gonna go to the quantum area. Actually, no. Which one had more cube berries? The mossy blanket or the... Oh, see what I was talking about with these like phase lemons? Can you see them? They're all not fully grown. They're just a baby. Can I make it? Come here. Oh no. Can I not? Oh no. Okay, I made it. Okay, I was... No, not today. I was trying to look for water. Where puddle slimes are at. Oh, in the right area. I totally forgot. See those fruits over there? Oh, I just need... Oh no, oh no, oh no. Get out. Oh my. Will this make the fruits grow? I know the fruits probably already rotten. No way fruits could... Oh, see the phase lemon! See, I forgot they can also spawn naturally in crates. So, whatever. At first, when I planted my first phase lemon, I thought that I'd have to throw berries at... Whatever, they can't make it from here. If they even tried to, they'd fall in the water. Although, is that a puddle slime down there? No. I just want to see how many puddle slimes I can collect. And I'm going over here. Are these quantum slimes still over here? Jeez, buddies, I didn't think you guys were still over here. Man. I just need to get to the rad slime area, or crystal quarry, I don't know, whatever. Indigo quarry, not bad. Indium? What is it called? Okay, I was right. Indigo quarry. I just heard of this stuff called like indium something, but I never actually got to have it. Well, in my other things, yes, I did get to have it. Have fun in the feral areas, buddy. Ready to meet with the ferals? Yeah, I think he's having it. I think he's having a great time in there. Their tars. He'd even have a better tar. Oh, that'd be so funny. Although they are standing in the water, so they die anyway, but whatever. Are there 2 puddle slimes in the rat area? I know there's 2 water areas before I move this. Have I ever popped you? Have I ever popped you in my other version? I think I have. Yeah, however, have I been getting home? Yeah, I have. Whoa, what's that? I don't know, like branches, like maybe that's for if you're like cheating, trying to jump over that. They prevent you from getting out. It's like branch area. just doesn't have a solid like surface, which means you can just go right through it. I need water anyway. Yes, a butterfly. Is there two? Yes, there is. Oh, puddle pool. But that, I thought that just bounced. Okay, this is like more than what I needed. How big does your bubble get if I splash? I'm just joking. It actually gets rid of the bubble. Yeah, and that makes it awesome. But if you vac him up and then spat him out again, he gets his rad bubble back. Sadly. So don't waste your water, cause then, well, actually, wasting my water for that is a little bit helpful, especially when you're doing the rad grow. Actually, jokes on here. It doesn't work on the rad grow. Why does it not work? The moment. What is it? Why is it? What if I break you? What's inside you? Probably not much. Rocky, ow! I was gonna say Rocky's been backed up. And no. Wait, why did I do that? Oh. Actually, guys, it's actually getting pretty late, and I'm actually going to end this video. So, bye.